Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Jatin Y Jibhkate and I'm thankful to Pradna ma'am to give me this opportunity to present my efforts done on the final project Image Editor in the batch Win 2024. Image Editor project is about adding and showcasing the various effects of the image, categorized into three. We will see in more in detail, and all these effects we have achieved using the using the native languages, that is C, C++, and we have also tried to create a dynamic library where the mathematical expressions were segregated and put fetched through the dynamic library using COM with the aggregation concept. I have also tried to fasten the process using multi-threading, also applied thread synchronization so that the UI would be seamlessly working without any hangs, and I also tried to segregate as much as a single responsibility as possible. So with respect to image editor project, all this more or less everyone would have done similar things. What I have done extra is launch page of the AstroMediComp, and then multi-threading concepts. I also have tried the context menu and save image. Application architect, I have heavily used interfaces, single responsibility pattern, and the factory pattern. Composition, when we are depending upon various components, that moment I have used composition, and all the interfaces are followed with the inheritance. So without delay, let's begin with the demo. Let's first see the code block. So you can see I have divided header files, my project into header files, interfaces, and the source files. I also have the resources, having the resource file containing all the the menu and related information. I have also structure being defined under the model. My starting point is the shell, where I have tried throughout the project Unicode text. That's why this name changed to WinMain. You wouldn't see the callback here because that's being encapsulated with the image editor window, right? And that's how I tried to segregate it. Now let's jump on to demo. You can see the window when on the launch is pushing itself into the left top corner. I cannot resize it, that because that's being restricted. When I click right click on the window, you can see the register option over here, as well as on the dialog register here. So let's click on any one of them. You can see the checks has been added, validation checks. So once your user is registered, the text is changed to respectively. You can see the change being reflected over here as well. Now let's open an image. Let's see this one. Okay, looks like there is a fracture, but the image is not so clear. Let's apply Sepia effect and see where we get the better effect or the better visibility of the extra image. Meanwhile, this is going on. I have applied 4 threads, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we'll see how this is being done. Looks like Sepia is not taking that much. So let's try with inversion effect. Sepia was not suitable effect, so you know it was not that much greatly visible. So I have chosen inversion. You can see in between I have cancelled the the operation, and then it began different one. In between I can perform various operation because this is asynchronous, right? So check AstroMediComp page, right? And also I can select the color pickers. I mean just coordinates, not the actual operations, right? So let me do that as well. So now in the background it would have saved the images. You can see two more file has been created. In between I can save the image as well. This is saved image. Yeah, with the inversion effect I think we would get better visibility of the bone and the hair fracture as well. %, remaining. Four threads are running. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can divide into a quadrant: first, second, third, and fourth. Four threads are running, and you can see now we have better visibility showing fracture. Okay, that's done. Let's exit from the application and view. These are the non-normalized forms of the image coordinates. This is normalized form of the coordinates, and this is throughout the application what all operation we did. All those information has been tracked. That's about this project. Thanks.